here in my car, pulling out the dashboard so I can get all the wiring out. So just started by taking this off, all this stuff off, the vents off, cluster off. Started unplugging everything down there, of course seats, glove box and all that crap. Now it just listen bolts like they have on top and down there, so this is kinda ready to go out. So I can unplug the final few wires in there, the blue shit. Then I can finally pull the harness out, then take the carpet out, so I can remove the fuel line that I need to replace. So yeah, that's the project. Oh, the dashboard is kinda ready to come out. It's still holding on. Stupid fresh air bullshit. So now I believe this cunt is free of all bullshit. Pretty much all we need to do is get it back a bit so I can get behind here and unpull the blue wires. That's kind of the point of all this, because I need to delete the blue wires. Then we can take it out completely and work on stuff. So the trunk release and the fuel cap release was rusted shut, and I tried pulling it off and it just came apart in my hands. It's rusted to shit. It's gone. Literally the cable for the trunk rusted off. Oh, there it is, a bunch of rust. At least there's no hole through the floor, so that's okay. But yeah, this is junk. This is never gonna work again. Rusted to shit. Alright, project update. Interior stripped down, pretty much what I needed to. Got the harness out. This is for like the fuel tank that goes there and the rear stuff. Oh, everything is deleted. Next what I have to do is like clean it up a lot, clean the carpet because it's junk. So there's a bunch of rust here, but there's no like holes through the car or anything. This was just like the latch to open the trunk, rusted through. We got under the hood. Everything's clean. Gotta delete the brake booster. Then we can start sanding some stuff down. Oh, and yeah, my windshield's like cracked, and I'm super butthurt about it. Cause it's stupid. It was good when I bought the car, so yeah. All this is ready. Everything is stripped off, I hope. So much crap. Ew.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I just want you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just want you love. I just wanna be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I just wanna be the one.
So the engine's bay is pretty clean. I think it is prepped, so we can start sanding it down. And meanwhile I'm gonna eat a muffin and waiting for the stuff in the gas tank to activate. I have to clean it out, so I have some more chemicals in there. Hopefully it's gonna work. And I'm getting this really annoying drip from this freaking return fuel line. It's so annoying. I don't know what to do about it. So I just received a very nice fat stack of packages from the post guy. Now we're gonna unbox this shit. This is gonna be epic. Watch it be shit. Disappointing. Shouldn't be, though. What kind of fucking box is this? Ta-da!
very nice. Looking very nice.
Hecka fresh. Fake Vertex steering wheel. Shit, it's actually pretty good. I mean, this thing, it has a bit of bend, but it's not bad for a Chinese steering wheel. It's not even bad. It's like not bad.
Pretty good.
Some of the Chinese ones you can twist them with one hand, but this one, fresh, $60 instead of 400 from Vertex. Screw you guys. Sponsor me if you want though.
Lol.
I'm gonna wrap all originals. So, oh look, there's a manual. How to install a steering wheel.
No stickers. Stickers? No stickers.
No stickers, it's Chinese. So yeah, all the installation stuff.
And the resistors.
The problem is I don't have the correct hub. I ordered it from China for a Honda and doesn't fit this one, so I'm gonna buy that eventually.
Eventually. But that's a nice steering wheel.
It's sick. I love it. I was thinking it's gonna be slightly bigger, but I guess it's the regular, like,
The small ones are the best though.
yeah, they're better, but my hands are gonna hurt more because no power steering glide. Once I get a quick rack, if I get one, it's gonna be a nightmare to park this car, but fine.
What's the next one?
I have no idea, it's more China shit. Or maybe I do know. Alright. Very nice. This is a Type R ship knob.
That's so fucking small, like.
€4. It's like $50 usually. So this is fresh. It's nice. It's sick. It's a fucking Type R shift knob. I love it. So all the good is there. And the next one. This one comes from UK, I believe. It's from those guys that screwed up last time and sent me the wrong OBD connector for the ECU. This should be the correct one. And indeed it is.
Alright.
Alrighty then. So, this is the harness. This is the injector harness, which you have to wire up all your injectors because I'm doing a multi-point conversion. This is a dual point because it's a dual carb. And then we have like your regular connector. This one's like for the injectors, so you have separate harness, which is awesome. Most of them come with these wires attached to this, so that's pretty cool, so you can separate that. So this goes to OBD1, I believe, and these are OBD0. So harness in, injectors in, OBD1 ECU, which should be coming very soon. The ECU, I ordered that too. What's this?
The fuck is that?
Oh yeah, I know what it is. Master clutch cylinder of a Civic MB 1.8 VTI. So I can adapt my clutch from cable to hydro. Maybe I won't need this, maybe I will, but he gave it to me for free, the guy that hooked me up with all the other stuff, and there's another package coming from this guy, so sick. Cylinder, harness, shift knob, steering wheel, so all I need is a hub, so I can put that together. And yeah.
Very nice.
Nothing important to the swap except for this, but there it is.
Very nice.
Already working on scratching the clear coat off with the Scotch-Brite thingy. Okay, got my supplies, got a legit anti-corrosion epoxy primer, which I'm gonna be using for the engine bay, so it's gonna stick well. Then we have the color. You can check out the code if you care, but I got this mixed for my engine bay. And I got a 2-component clear coat, so there's actually like a hardener and everything, so this is legit clear coat. This is not like shitty $5 cans. And of course my own pad and a mask for painting later. But yeah, hopefully all of this is gonna be enough to pull the engine bay off, at least mostly. So let's get to work. Almost ready for paint. Everything is scuffed down and just gonna fill that hole and then gonna wipe it down with some paint thinner, and then we're gonna go for some epoxy primer. And I'm also gonna heat up the spray so it's gonna spray better.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same.
Finished with primer on this car. Did a few coats here and there in the parts that are gonna be seen the most. I went a little more behind there, not so much because, well, I can't, and I don't want to be extremely perfect because I would have to tear down the subframe and all that bullshit. I don't have the time or the patience to do that. So we have this. This is gonna cure now overnight. The sun is going down, so we can do shit overnight. And tomorrow, hopefully, we're gonna put on some paint. Here it is, the car is prepped. I also went and also primered up here because, well, I figured out the plastic doesn't cover that part. So, got the paint right here. And I guess we're gonna start.
What you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just what you love. I just wanna be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I just wanna be the one you love.
Sneak peek, first coat done. Going on to the second spray can. I can do it with two for sure. Just that wall back there needs to be touched up real good around the corners and this side. That side's pretty good. So, back to spraying. Look at these hands, boy! Look at these hands! That happened from one of those spray cans because it just started squirting for no reason. Super annoying. But here's the result. Needs clear coat. Finished clear coating my engine bay. I used this 2K, well, clear coat. You pull the hardener so you have legit paint, not some bullshit spray can for $5. And it looks very good. It looks shiny. I guess if I did 3 coats it would be perfect, but I don't have that many, but it's still gonna be good. Much better than it was. Nice and shiny. Got a little bit of dirt here from crap in the air, but whatever. I will cover it up with some parts. I kinda missed a little of paint there. Not too bad, but there's gonna be like the wiper can here and probably some catch can or whatever. The rest is good. Now I'm gonna put it in garage. I'm gonna turn the heater on and hopefully it hardens overnight, and that's that. Car is in the garage. Ancient heater, hopefully it's gonna help a bit with hardening. Gonna leave this for like a day at least until I push it out, but it's good. Here it is without any annoying sunlight. This is how it looks. It's pretty good. The only part where I kinda missed some paint was in there, because you can't get in there, but stuff's gonna cover that up. So that's it. Now to paint these frames and start bolting shit in. Nice. Looks very good.